we are here in order to see on how the Centre Directors and the job service officers can be able to synergize for the better result of the activities that we are carrying out. We believe that our interaction together here will be able to emphasize the important role that you as the leaders of the TVET centers can be able to play in making sure that the Don Bosco TVET centers in Africa and Madagascar are able to achieve their desired results. We are looking at how to facilitate the transition from school to work. And we are saying that the role of the TVET director and the role of the JSO are very important in this work. And we would like to really emphasize that we need to work together so that we can be able to see on how we can be able to implement these key roles. Then we are working within a context, and this context is we have the provincial organic plan, which we call the POP, which should become a point of reference for the work that we are doing. Otherwise, we are disconnected from the solution element. So the provincial organic plan is very important for you to refer to it, because it will be able to guide you on exactly what you need to do. And then each and every center is supposed to have solution, educative, pastoral plan. So that also will give you the contextualized reality on how you are supposed to handle the training of the young people. I concentrate a bit on the role of the center director, which I believe it is quite important. As the center director, we will be expected to be playing those key roles, 3 key roles. And this is the interpersonal role. You will be there in order to make sure that all the actors, or you call them stakeholders, are brought on table. Then we have the second role is the informational role, and in that you are supposed to be key in monitoring the different changes that are happening within the labor market. And then be able to speak on behalf of the institutions. And the third role is decisional. You are there to make decisions, and these decisions will be well be guided if you have an entrepreneurial mind. An entrepreneurial mind is where you see an opportunity and you are able to grasp that opportunity and you turn it to be a business opportunity. And then you are a disturbance handler. When there is issues within the organization that need to be readdressed, they come to you. If there is a confusion between the industries and the graduates who have been employed there, it comes to you. If there is issues between the teachers and the trainees, it comes to you. So you should be having that capacity to be able to handle disturbances within the organization. And the third one on that is the resource allocator. Put resources, because without the resources you will not be able to perform. And these resources, we are speaking about the human resource. Recruit people who are competent enough to carry out your agenda as an institution. You will need the financial resources, manage them very well. You will also require the infrastructure resources, the buildings, the tools, the equipment. You need them. So you need to collect those resources and allocate them for the work to be carried out. And the fourth resource, we have spoken about the information, which is very important into this. The fourth is a negotiator. You will not succeed if you are not a good negotiator. Know how to slide your slide and then create consensus within your system. As a center director, there are those levels of management, and we don't want you to lose your time and energy in the wrong sphere. If you could look at this here, we are having the 3 levels here. The first line manager, the second line manager, and the top line manager. For you as the TVET director, you are playing your league at the top management. at the top management. And the skill that you need at that top management is the conceptual skills. Whereas the local JSO, on his part, he requires less of conceptual skills and more of the technical skills. Organize your work that the people with the right technical skills do their technical work. And you, with your conceptual skill, thinking about the development of the organization. You need time to really stand and look at how the organization is moving. And know your level, and you can be able to see on how you can be able to play your role in the right skills. Wishing you a fruitful meeting workshop with the awareness that the decision that you are going to make will in one way or another affect the life of the young people.